It doesn't get any bigger than this. Hello guys, welcome to Filmantor, and for today's list, we have taken a huge burden of compiling the 5 most influential Hindi films of all time. These movies define the Hindi film industry, and their historical, cultural, and cinematic significance is unparalleled. We have restricted the list to only the absolute cream of the crop after going through hours of research, just to keep the list as objective as possible. So please support Filmantor as much as possible by liking and subscribing. It keeps us motivated to keep creating content like this. With that out of the way, this is Amir, and based on their chronological order, here are the 5 greatest landmark movies in the Hindi cinema ever. Mother India, 1957. If you're looking for the original roots of this 1957 epic social drama, you need to go back decades before India's independence itself to the year 1927, when an American author, Catherine Mayer's polemical book ruthlessly attacked Indian society, religion, and culture, giving birth to an outrage so big it even led to Mahatma Gandhi criticizing the text. And what was the name of this writing? Mother India.
अब ये कुछ नहीं करेगा, अब ये कुछ नहीं करेगा.
The idea of a film response of the same name to this book was constructed some 5 years after independence in 1952 by director Mehboob Khan, and the film was finally released 5 more years later. A remake of his own 1940 film Aurat, Khan's Mother India further developed the sense of nationalism and nation building by promoting women empowerment in Indian society and challenging the text that inspired it in every which way possible. It was a technical trendsetter with every stretch of the imagination, with actress Nargis immortalizing the Indian mother on celluloid, the film pioneering the portrayal of 2 morally opposite brothers personifying good and evil, and alluding its lead characters to Hindu mythology. The film, which turned out to be one of the most expensive in history, with inflation adjusted, still ranks among the highest grossers of all time. Its premiere in New Delhi was attended by the country's president and prime minister at that time, and ironically enough, the movie became the first Indian film ever to receive an American Academy Award nomination under the International Feature Film category. Mughal-e-Azam, 1960. Director K. Asif's Mughal-e-Azam was India's biggest cinematic magnum opus before, during, and after its time. Made over a span of whopping 16 years, the epic historical was a fictitious account of Mughal Emperor Akbar's disapproval of the love affair between his son Prince Salim and a court dancer Anarkali. The film, which dealt with the theme of strong justice against the notion of unconditional love that defies social class differences and power hierarchy, became an all-timer almost immediately upon its release, shattering all the financial projections and staying the biggest blockbuster of India for 15 years consecutively.
मौत मोहब्बत से करीब हो गई, ऐसा ही होगा.
Crafted with magnificent sets, lavish frames, elaborate costumes, and evergreen score, the Prithvi Raj Kapoor, Madhubala, and Dilip Kumar starrer is still hailed by filmmakers as the one film that sets the standards for everything even to this day, be it its art direction, soundtrack, cinematography, dialogues, or even the portrayal of tragic love in its story. Inspiring books, documentaries, independent businesses, and much more across the globe since its release, Mughal-e-Azam's cultural influence can never truly be scaled. Not only was it named a landmark of world cinema by The Guardian, but also ranked among CNN IBN's 2013 list of the 100 greatest Indian films of all time. Initially released as partially colored and rest black and white, Mughal-e-Azam also became the first Hindi film to ever be digitally colored and re-released nearly 45 years after its original release, becoming a commercial success yet again. Sholay, 1975. Ramesh Sippy invented the term Bollywood masala entertainer with Sholay.
सरदार, मैंने आपका नमक खाया सरदार. अब गोली खा.
Do we really have to carry on? It gave birth to quite easily the most dominant genre in the Indian cinema today, the commercial blockbuster multi-starrers. Interestingly, the film that saw the biggest ensemble cast then was panned by critics upon its release for this new blend of genres and was declared a box office flop in its first week.
तो गए 4-6 महीने के लिए अंदर क्या बोलता है?
तू बोल.
But word of mouth nationwide was all it took to obliterate all those reports, not only turning Sholay into the biggest hit of all time in its 5-year theatrical run, but also making it a definitive cinematic milestone, contributing to the Indian culture ever since and becoming part of India's daily vernacular. Counting down the list of domestic and international accolades the film has received over the past 45 years would warrant another video altogether, especially when you consider the movie's most iconic aspects, its dialogues and characters.
कितने आदमी थे?
सरदार 2 आदमी थे।
Amjad Khan's Gabbar Singh especially, leading a wave of the ultimate oppressors as the final boss villains for decades after him, and literally having each one of his dialogues embedded, referenced, and parodied in pop culture even today, are just a few examples of Sholay's influence on cinema.
बहुत याराना लगता है।
Not only that, but the movie is widely credited with making Amitabh Bachchan a megastar 2 years after he rose to prominence with Zanjeer, and the rest is history. Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, 1995. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, just a year before DDLJ, marked the arrival of a new era in the Hindi cinema with a pretty emphatic statement. An era that brought films back to the cultural and family-oriented content, paving way for the then struggling film industry to become as ginormous as it stands today. However, with all that said, it was Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge next year that made absolute sure that cinema stands tall as the be-all source of entertainment against a boom in the cable television and home video business nationwide in mid-1990s. The film, which not only garnered immense love domestically, but also appealed to the Indian diaspora worldwide like no other film had before it, became such a sensation that it breezed past Sholay's historic 5-year theatrical run and is still running in Mumbai's historically rich Maratha Mandir around 25 years after its release. To understand the cinematic influence of DDLJ, one can simply glance over the abundance of Bollywood romance movies each year, which might not have been the case if it weren't for this Aditya Chopra directorial. The Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol starrer, which pretty much made Khan the household name he is today, is such a huge cultural landmark that even Barack Obama was recorded quoting one of its dialogues in his 2015 visit to India. And Lagaan, 2001. Ashutosh Gowarekar's Lagaan broke the 6-year-long domination of the trend set by films like Hum Aapke Hain Kaun and Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, and brought content-driven cinema back to India in a move that cannot be classified as anything but brave. The movie, which was not made with an intent to earn fortune, not only pioneered the content-driven side of Bollywood as we see it today, but also became only the third and to date final Indian film to ever receive an Oscar nomination for its unique and engaging premise. Lagaan called out several social issues like colonialism, oppression, and discrimination based on color and caste, all while packaging it around an entertaining game of cricket. Bringing our obsession with cricket and cinema together now may sound like a guaranteed recipe for success, but back then, it was a humongous gamble that not only had Aamir Khan and Ashutosh Gowarekar's future at stake, but also of the entire film industry decades after it. It's also astonishing to realize that for a film that was eventually listed among Time's 25 all-time best sports movies and inspired a new horizon in Bollywood filmmaking, struggled to find any producer to invest in it initially, finally seeing the light of day only when Aamir Khan himself agreed to produce it. The fact that it ended up earning truckloads of money and becoming a cultural milestone gave confidence to filmmakers after it to try projects they may not have even considered before Lagaan. And there you have it, guys. 5 greatest landmark movies in Hindi cinema ever. Don't agree with our list? Let us know what other movies you think deserve to be in the conversation. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Filmantor for more such content ahead. With that out of the way, have a safe week ahead. This is Amir and I will see you soon.